Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a fabulous design, foam-free, alternative mechanics based upon a taped grid. The tape, waterproof tape, I like the 1/4 inch and clear, just pulling it, stretching it across, giving it a cut, repeating, and again. Then once you have 3 going side to side, repeat that going front to back. Then to ensure stability, you want to go around the entire rim. That will lock it to make sure that it can't come undone. Then you may have noticed at the beginning, I had a goobered piece of tape. You always want to go back and mess up the end. That way you'll be able to find it later and go back and remove that one. For my base, I'm going to start with a neutral palette, some soft blue hydrangea, little brunia, seeded eucalyptus, and spiral eucalyptus. As I'm working, just taking out small bits, giving it a cut, and then feeding it through the grid, going in at an angle, so it starts a crossing of stems, making sure no leaves go down inside the water area. You can see the weave begins, maybe a little bit more. And each stem helps to support the next stem. Coming back with the spiral. Adding the linear feel. And the hydrangea. Giving it a cut. Dipping it in alum to make sure it's going to hold well. And then placing it right down in. The brunia gives wonderful texture. Adds that little surprising element. The gray picking up the gray of the eucalyptus, and then the round form. Then repeating this with the round form of the craspedia, carrying it on in and adding that pop of yellow. So we have a neutral base, and then coming back and brightening it with craspedia, freesia, and ranunculus. You can see how it comes out over the top and just pops so bright, festive. Wakes up the arrangement, coming out to the sides. The vivid yellow just explodes with happy color. And I radiate all through that central binding point, grouping some things, making sure that I bring some around to the back and to the sides, until it's full and lush. To create this design, I focused on designing with full bunches. So I used 10 of the craspedia, 10 of the freesia, and 10 of the ranunculus. Then I used half a bunch, just 5 stems of the brunia, a bit of spiral eucalyptus, a bit of seeded eucalyptus, and 3 stems of hydrangea. You can see the yellow and blue together is fabulous. Yellow is such a bright color. It brightens the day, brightens our mood, makes everything seem just a little bit better. Working foam-free with the taped grid gives you an alternative mechanic. So now it's your turn. If you need more creative inspiration, check out the website at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create to brighten your day? Be sure to take a picture Post it on social media and tag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.